if y'all have been seeing them sardine snack plates around, they've been going viral on TikTok. So I decided to go ahead and bring y'all a little snack plate today.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camera. You don't really to throw you up.
Okay, y'all, so the first thing you want to do is get your eggs boiling, because I completely forgot about that. So now I gotta wait. I'm gonna put everything else together, but now I gotta wait for the eggs because I forgot to boil the eggs first. But anyway, we're gonna do that. Then we just gonna put the eggs in there. So I'm gonna assemble everything else right now. All right, y'all, so this is super simple. We just gonna add some tomatoes. I just sliced and diced some tomatoes, y'all. We just gonna lay that in there like that. Try to make it look pretty. Then we're gonna add these onions in here. Whatever kind of onions you want. I just used these because that's what I had yesterday. Still have a little more. I got some stuffed garlic olives. Get a few of those. Then we're gonna open up the sardines. Y'all can use whatever kind y'all like, y'all. I'm gonna try to take them out without breaking them, because they are really soft. I'm gonna just try to lay it as nice and pretty as possible. You feel me? And with the oil, I'm gonna give it to my dog, but I'm gonna pour a little bit on here because she be eating these. These are good for dogs, by the way. These sardines. Yeah, that's good. Okay, y'all, so we have some fresh dill, which I'm gonna put on top of the tomatoes and a little bit on the onions. Yes. Hopefully by the time I'm done, the eggs is just about done. The egg. I only made one egg. I don't know why I keep saying eggs. And if y'all want some of y'all sardines, by all means, put some on there. Okay? I had a little extra onion over here on the side. I'm gonna put that on there. Then I'm gonna squeeze some lemon. And this would be good to let the lemon just marinate on the tomato and the onions while you wait, because that's good. It tastes good when you have a lemon just marinate on there. So we can go do that. A little half a lemon. Then I'm going to add some capers, y'all. This is extra. You don't have to add capers, okay? You can skip this step, honestly. Couple of little capers. Okay, then y'all, we could use olive oil or a little bit of this fish oil from the sardines can. So I'm gonna pour a little of that on here, and then I'm gonna wait to put my salt and pepper, y'all, because I want to put some on my eggs. So we're gonna be back with that. Okay, y'all, so the egg is done. We're gonna just add the egg right here. Y'all make y'all egg however y'all like it, okay? Y'all can add this chili oil. It's not necessary, but I'm just gonna add a little bit. I don't really like a lot. A little bit on my egg. A little bit this way. A little bit this way. A little bit, not too much. And I love balsamic vinaigrette, y'all. This is what I'm using. I'm gonna use some of this on the tomato and the onions. Ooh, did I put too much? Oh my god. That's good. I'm about to overdo it. Now we're gonna do a little salt and pepper for the egg, onion, and tomato. We're just gonna do a little salt for the same thing. Egg, onion, and tomato. Boom. And last but certainly not least, y'all, we got some Louisiana. We gotta put on the sardines. Gotta have a little of that. And y'all gotta make sure y'all got your crackers on the side. some room for the crackers. That's what we doing. Don't look delicious. That's because it is. Y'all can pretty much eat this like this. Gotta be a little piece of sardine. Y'all can eat this however y'all want, really. Like, it's not one way to eat it. I'm gonna put a little onion. And then next time I might just do like an olive or like a piece of egg. I like to take the middle out. Sometimes it go like that. Yeah, it's blurry. Anyway. Fire. Y'all, this is something super simple. This is actually something I'm about to eat before I eat my dinner because I'm not ready to cook it yet. Something not too heavy, just light on your stomach that you can just really snack on. And it's still fire, y'all. Don't forget the grocery list is gonna be in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button.